Hey guys, welcome back to Coffin Girl Nails. So I got these really cute little designs in and I just was dying to play with them. So I busted out my handy dandy little, whatever you call this little thing that holds the nails, and wanted to do just a quick little design for you guys. I love this, and I know we are not in spring, but I'm kind of missing spring and missing that summertime vibes. So here is a little bit of a view of some nice colors for you guys. I'm not gonna stay and talk the whole video. I just wanted to say hi, pop in, and see how my gals are doing. If you like this video, please click the like button and please subscribe and click that notification bell so that you guys are alerted anytime that I post a video. And you guys have a wonderful day. Just enjoy the view. Thank you guys.